Namaste, Hare Krishna. Chapter 1, which is entitled as Arjuna Vishada Yoga. Sloka number 15 through 18. Panchajanyam Rishikesho Devadattam Dhananjayah Paudram Dadmo Mahashankham Bhima Karma Vikodaraha Ananta Vijayam Raja Kunti Putro Yudhishthirah Nakula Sahadevascha Sugoshamani Pushpakau Kasyascha Parameshvasaha Shikandi cha Maharatah Dristadhyumno Viratascha Satakischa Parajitah Drupodo Drupadeyascha Sarvasaha Prithivipate Saubhadrascha Mahabaho Tankandatma Pratak Pratak. In this slokas 1, 2, 3, 4, 15 through 18 is explaining where Pandavas blowing their conch shell, respective conch shell. Panchajanyam. Panchajanyam is the name of the conch shell of Rishikesha. Rishikesha is none other than Krishna himself. So Krishna's conch shell is named Panchajanyam. And then Dhananjaya is Arjuna. His conch shell is Devadatta. So Paudram is another conch shell of Bhima. Ananta Vijayam is the name of the conch shell of Raja Yudhishthira. And Nakula is Sughosha and Sahadeva is Mani Pushpakau. Those are the Pancha Pandavas conch shell, the names of the conch shell. And then in the 17th and 18th slokas, the names are not given, but in the sequence, who all blew their respective conch shell, their names has been given. Is Kasyascha Parameshvasa, Kasi Raja, and then Shikandi, Dristadhyumna, Virata, Satyaki, Drupada, and the 5 sons of Draupadi, and also Abhimanyu. They all blew their respective conch shells. Panchajanyam Rishikesho Devadattam Dhananjayah Paudram Dadmo Mahashankam Bhima Karma Vikodaraha. The ferocious eater Bhima Karma Vikodaraha is conscious Paudram. So in Mahabharata we see the story of how Bhima is great with his strength and the amount of food he consumes. In the story of Hidimbi narration, we see that he consumes everything off. So that has been explained by as his name. Bhima Karma Vrikodaraha is conch shell, blow his conch shell. The very first conch shell has been mentioned here is Panchajanyam, that is Krishna's conch shell. So Krishna blew his conch shell right after the Kauravas have done their part of playing bugles and fiddles and drums and etc. Then Krishna started on the Pandavas' side. Chapa cha aparajitah kasyasya parameshvasa shikandisha maharatah dristadhyumno viratasya satyaki chaparajitah. Aparajita. Parajita means conquerable. Aparajit, unconquerable, who cannot conquer. So these are the great warriors who cannot be conquered, and they blow their respective conch shell. Drupado Drupadeyascha Sarvasaha Prithivipate. We should remember that the conversation is happening between the Sanjaya and Dhritarashtra. So Sanjaya is addressing Dhritarashtra, Sarvas Prithivipate, the Lord of the earth, Prithivipate, because he is a king, officially he is a king, therefore he is saying Prithivipate Dhritarashtra. These are the parties who on the Pandava side started and they're ready and started blowing their conch shell. That is from 15th sloka to 18th sloka. Again, these slokas are set of slokas which talks about the conch shell blown by the Pandavas with their respective conch shell names. Sloka number 19. Sagoshadardha Rashtranam Hridayani Vridharayat Nabascha Prithivim Chaiva Tublobhyanunadayan. So here is the fact has been given. This blowing of conch shell on the Pandava side, various conch shells has blown on the Pandava side. Saghosha Dhritarashtranam, that's 100 sons of Dhritarashtra. What happened to them when they heard this glorious sound of the conch shell. Hridayani vyadharayate. That means their hearts become shattered out of fear. Say you're sitting in a place, all of a sudden you hear an explosion or some sound, we just get shocked. Immediately we get frightened or shocked to see where the sound is coming and what happened. So here the similar situation for Kauravas is when they heard this sound of blowing of conch shell, their heart shattered into pieces, because the sound was just vibration of the sound touched the sky and earth and all different directions. So obviously this is what happened as a result of blowing the conch shell for the Kauravas. So the question, did all this conch shell together shatter the heart of the Kauravas, or the shattering of heart happened before that, in between only? So the answer is quite obvious. So for Kauravas' hearts to be shattered, it doesn't really require Panchajanyam, Devadattam, or Poundram, Ananta Vijayam, Sugosha, Mani Pushpakam. All these different conch shells are not needed. Just one conch shell, the very first conch shell, which was blown by Krishna, Rishikesha, that itself shattered the heart of Kauravas, Panchajanyam, when he blew the conch shell. Sagosha Dhritarashtrana, the sons of Dhritarashtra, meaning here it's not said the Duryodhana Hridayani Vyadharayat, or it's not like any one particular name is not being given here. It's told that all the sons, not one left, every one heart was shattered. When Kauravas blew their conch shell, there was no mention of such things happening on the Pandavas side. Their heart got shattered, or they started trembling, they are fearful. Arjuna was fearful. Yudhishthira was thinking whether will win or not. Nothing was the case. Whereas the same conch shell which was blown by Krishna shattered the heart of Kauravas but gave joy to the Pandavas. The sound is same. There's no difference. It's the same sound, but who receives the sound, in what mood, it makes a different result. In other words, it all depends on how we approach the Lord. If we approach the Lord favorably, or if we approach the Lord pratikulyam, unfavorable, it just depends. Therefore, Dhritarashtra's sons and Duryodhana and brothers were unfavorable. Therefore, their heart shattered for the same sound of Krishna's Panchajanya. Whereas on the Pandava side, nothing happened. Rather, they feel energized by the same sound, Panchajanya, blown by Krishna. So that makes a big difference between both the parties. So it's very important that we understand that rather than having God-fearing, we are to become God-loving. That is favorable. Therefore, Sagoshadhardharashtranam Hridayani Vyadharayate Nabascha Prithivim Chaiva Tubulobhyanunadayan. Namaste. Hare Krishna.